HillbillyNitro. Here we are, guys, back with another one. We have the number 44 in Stag. It is finally here. Yes, we have been waiting on it. Don't know why it took so long to get here, but we finally got it. So we are going to open her up. If you would like to help the sports channel, please take a look at the link in the comments, and please consider making a donation. There's my shameless plug. We're on a mission for a new camera, so help us out. Anyways, let's get to this, guys. I am stoked to see this one. Open her up here. See what we have going on. Any of you guys have any luck on the number 85 reserve at CK? I sure didn't. I missed that reserve by about 20 minutes and they were all gone. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get one for myself or not. We have some peanuts. Look at this, peanuts. There we go. We'll put these peanuts over here for later. Yeah, I'm kind of heartbroken over that number 85. That is my number one favorite GEC knife. That beautiful spear point. I've been in a bad mood for 2 days over that. I'll probably have a couple on here, but they won't be mine. Here we go, guys. Number 44. This is the last knife in the whole run. This will finish the number 44 run out, the pattern premiere. I'm anxious to see this. Look, we've got a peanut stashed in here. Very nice. As you see, I have old number 78 Stag out here. There's a number 44 in brass. Here we go, guys. I believe this is going to be a sweetie pie. Let's see what kind of Stag we got. Let's get it focused up here. Wow. We have some color. That is sweet. I wonder what the backside's going to look like. Or excuse me, the pile side. Is that the pile side on the other side? Have a mark side and a pile side. Here we go. It matches. Very nice. Look at that. That is sweet. Wow. Polished smooth. Smooth as a baby's butt. You cannot, that feels like a piece of glass right there. No transition, is just super smooth. Very nice. Nice coloring. Very nice. This whole knife, it just feels like a piece of glass, except for right here, you know, a little rough right here, but other than that, it is just super smooth. Don't think I've felt one quite like that before. That's beautiful. Let's see what these blades centering looks like. Perfection. Now let's see if we'll have a pull to match this perfection we got going on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's very close to a 7. About the same on the pin blade. Very nice. Great execution. Let's check out the fat stag. Do we have some fat stag? Yeah, it's getting up there. Goes down a little right here. Of course, that's the way mine is too. This is stag, guys, so it only goes on one way. That's what I love about stag, is you get what you get, and very nice. No complaints from me. There's some people that like the big, huge, fat pieces, which I like that too. But this would bother some people, but it doesn't bother me. That's good. Thought it was showing a bit of the liner there, but it's not. Very nice. Look at that. Is that a beauty or what? I think you guys can see what I'm talking about, how slick it is, because just look at that shine to it. It just feels, oh man, this feels great. This one doesn't quite feel like that. Some nice color in there. Look at that backside right there. That is beautiful. I tell you, these number 44s are a real winner. Look at that. Let me wipe that blade off. Is that sweet or what? Man, that's nice. Very nice. You can tell it's very different on the color tones there. We almost have some popcorn on this 78. It's getting very close to popcorn right there. Popcorn stag. This is great. I love it. Come on now. Oh well. Very nice, guys. I love it. Let's check it out next to the autumn jig bone. Look at those two sweeties. That is awesome. I love that gun stock pattern. What'd you think, guys, if they'd done that stag in brass? I don't know. I don't know what I'd think about that. But yeah, I don't know. It would be. I don't know if that would work or not. That's what That's what I've been thinking about. I was like, wonder why they didn't do that in brass. But I don't think that would look right. I think they picked the two best for the brass, and they nailed it on the Cocobolo and on this autumn jig bone. Well, I guess that's going to wrap it up, guys. Got a beautiful polished blade here. Let me wipe it off one more time for you. Feels nice and sharp. Didn't get into the tang here or the... Yeah, nope. Very nice. They had, I've seen, like earlier this year, they was getting into the little notch right there when they were sharpening them. Look at that. That's going to wrap it up, guys. Stay tuned. We'll have some more knives coming in. Can't wait to show you guys one of those 85s. Hope you guys have a great day, and Hillbilly's gonna log this one out. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. If you do, do it twice. Peace. See you guys.